Setting up your ADT door window sensor is quick and easy. In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through connecting and installing your sensor, adding an extra layer of protection to your ADT Blue security system. Let's get started. Unpack your ADT door window sensor and make sure you have everything you need from the box. If necessary, spacers are available for purchase to help meet the spacing requirements. Getting set up is easy and no tools are required. But before you begin, make sure your ADT Base is connected. Your Bluetooth-enabled phone or tablet has the ADT Plus app ready, and you have secure Wi-Fi access. Pause the video here and gather what you need. When you're ready, press play and we'll pick up where we left off. To begin the setup, open the ADT Plus app and log in. Make sure your system is disarmed. In the app, open Devices from the menu at the top or from the bottom navigation, depending on your app version. Then tap the plus icon, ADT Device, Sensors and Detectors, and Door Window Sensor. Follow the in-app prompt to choose where inside your home you'll place the sensor, on a door or on a window. Then, name your sensor in your ADT Plus app. Pro tip: name it after the location where you plan to mount it. To power up your device, pull the plastic battery tab from the back of your sensor. For faster connection, make sure your sensor is in the same room as the ADT Base. Once the LED light starts blinking blue, tap Connect in the app. The light will continue flashing while it's pairing to your ADT Base. You'll get confirmation in the ADT Plus app when the sensor is connected. Next, we'll review the placement requirements for your sensor. For proper placement, install the magnet and the sensor inside your home, with the magnet on the moving part of the door or window, and the sensor on the static frame. Correct placement is all about alignment and spacing between the sensor and magnet. The magnet and sensor should be a maximum of 1/2 inch apart, with the dots on each horizontally aligned. Also, both pieces should sit flush, so neither sticks out farther than the other. If needed, add spacers behind the recessed piece to build it up. Now you're ready for installation. Use the alcohol pad to clean the surfaces where the magnet and sensor will be placed. Let them dry. For door placement, the sensor needs to be attached to the door frame and the magnet to the door. For window placement, the sensor needs to be attached to the window frame and the magnet to the window sash. To mount, peel the tape liner from the back of the sensor and place the sensor on the clean, dry surface. Press for 30 seconds. Assemble the magnet first by pressing the white cover all the way on. Then, peel the tape liner from the back of the magnet and place the magnet on the clean, dry surface, no more than 1/2 inch from the sensor. Press for 30 seconds. When you're ready, tap Next in the app. With your ADT system still disarmed, test your sensor by opening the door or the window, separating the sensor and magnet, and notifying the system. You should hear a chime from the base each time you open the door or window. Tap Next to complete setup. Congratulations, you're all set. Your ADT door window sensor is ready. You can start using your sensor right away or continue adding ADT Blue security devices in the ADT Plus app. Need help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT Blue devices and system, or to chat with us.